So I just got this new Silicone baking sheet. This one is actually a full sheet tray size. So you want to make sure that you order the right size depending on the size of your oven if you're planning to bake on it. I actually got this for a different reason. I got this so that I am able to do a better job of shaping pie crusts and large cookies and that sort of thing. And then I also really liked that it gives me the cup measurement conversions, and it also gives me the oven temperature conversions from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So this one has a lot of extra features that you can actually use for baking when you're getting everything ready to be baked. So it can be used in the oven up to 450 degrees, or it can be used when you're in the prep process. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a close-up view and then show you how I'll be using it. So here's a little close-up view. You can see that you have measurements on the side, you have inches, and you also have centimeters. So you can use that if you are measuring out a dough or measuring out a cookie, whatever you might be making. Over here, we also have cup measurements. So this is giving us the weight for flour and icing sugar, and it's also giving us the weight for butter and sugar. And then this will be used if you need to convert something. So if you have a recipe that's in grams and you need to convert it to cups, you can use that, or the other way around. And then right here in the center, we can use this when we are rolling out doughs and we want to make sure that it's a specific size. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, is rolling out a circular shaped dough, and I want to make sure that it's the right size. We also have a temperature conversion over here. So this is a really handy kitchen tool to have and a really handy kitchen tool to work on. You won't need to use a lot of flour when you're rolling out a dough on top of this because of that non-stick surface. So I'm going to go ahead and get my dough out and show you how I'll be rolling it out. Okay, so I made a chocolate chip sablé dough that I'm going to be using to make a cookie cake. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to roll it out. Just starting with a nice ball and placing that ball in the center, and then rolling in all four directions so that you can make sure you are getting a nice even spread. And as I mentioned, you don't need to use flour for this because you have that nice non-stick surface. So I'm going to be making mine a 5-inch circle. And then I can go ahead and press the edges and move it around to make sure that I have the right size. So a really easy way to make sure that you're getting the right size, and also really nice that you have that non-stick surface. You can easily pull it off. So really easy to use, a really great kitchen tool to have, and also a nice option to use for baking.